Today I'm going to share how you can make money doing nothing. And you're probably thinking this sounds like utter nonsense. And when I first looked into this method and was doing some research, a lot of it was. It was, downloading crappy little phone apps and other things like that. This is nothing to do with anything that you've probably seen on YouTube and, these apps and websites and other bits like that. So let me just go over here. So before I show you this and I'm going to share my results, what do you not need for this? Well, why I like this method is because once you've set this up, you genuinely don't need anything. You don't need any experience. You definitely don't have to spend a lot of time on this. It's 100% newbie friendly, and you can get started with this today. You can be, well, probably about 24 hours once you go through the process. So please make sure you watch this video till the end because I'm going to show you how to set all of this up step by step. I'm also going to share with you my actual results with this, and I'll also share some other people's results using what I'm going to teach you within this video. But look, like most things I share on this channel, I went ahead, I did some research this, I trialed it, I tested it, I've jumped into it, and now I'm sharing my results with you so you can go ahead and try and get similar results yourself. So if I come over here, let me just jump over here, and I'll walk you back and how I came about this. So this is a Facebook group over here, and it's called Side Hustle Nation, and I've been a member of this for a number of years, and I like it because people are always, as you can see here, 5 tips to sell an ebook like crazy. And look, go ahead and join this group. It's a great group. You find lots of different things in here. Look, freelance writers in here. There's lots of stuff in here. So I went ahead and I was speaking to a number of different people in here about, passive income streams and setting up, multiple different things, because I have this YouTube channel, I have blogs, niche blogs, websites, and other bits. And I got chatting to someone within this group, and basically what they said was they were automating making money online, and it's the dream in it for many people. Do nothing and get paid, and a lot of it is utter nonsense. So I got chatting to this guy called Ty, and he told me how he was earning money in the Forex market, and it was automated basically. Now I know absolutely nothing about Forex market or trading as such. I know a little bit about crypto, but when it comes to trading, I don't have a clue about buying and selling and what you should do and what you shouldn't do. So anyway, I went backwards and forwards with him on a number of the questions I had for him, because it sounded too good to be true, and it still does to this day. It still sounds too good to be true. So I connected with him over in this Facebook group here, this Side Hustle Nation group. I went ahead, I joined his beta group because he had a piece of software that he was trialing and he was testing this, and I'll show you that group in a second. And after speaking with him and joining his group, I went ahead and got the software, and I've been running this now for about 5 weeks. Now let me go ahead and show you this, because I've shared this article over on my blog a couple of days ago. So this is using a piece of software, and it's called Azaha Trader 6.0. I don't know why it's number 6. It's probably trialed a few before that. But you can see on here, look, and what I've just said to you, I share this over on my blog. So I found this over in the Side Hustle Nation Facebook group. It was automated Forex trading. And the part that caught my eye was the automated part. So if we come down here, let me just show you this. And show you this. So these are the questions that I sent over to Ty, the creator. So these are my results so far today, and I've been using this software for a little over 5 days. And basically, once you set this up, you do nothing. It literally runs on autopilot for you. There's only one thing that you do. Obviously, you set all of this up and you connect your accounts and things. And then on a Sunday, you're basically given the trading pair of the currency for the following week. And again, don't let that put you off, because I didn't have a clue about any of this when I first started this. So if I come down here, this was basically day 1. So you have a trader's account, which is basically where you deposit money into, and then you get the software and you connect the software to your trader's account, and it runs on autopilot for you. So this was day 1. So I earned $11.63, and I didn't do anything. But bearing in mind, I did put, you can see down here, I put $1,000 deposit into this account. Some people within the beta group, they put in a hell of a lot more money than me, but whenever it comes to anything like this, I like to trial it and test it. And you'll see as I go down these screenshots here, at this moment in time, the greed monkey is on my shoulder saying this is incredible, put more money into it. But I'm not going to, because I'm going to pull out my seed money first, and then this will become truly risk-free and passive. So this is day 1. I earned $11.63. If I come down here, this is day 2, $8. Day 3, $24, day 4, 45, day 5, 66. And that's it. So if you don't know, the way the Forex market works is they trade Monday to Friday. So there's 5 days within a working week, should we say. So if we scroll down here, this was day 6 and this was day 7. So I shared 7 full days on using the software. So you can see here, after 7 full days using this software, I earned $211. And when this happened, I was just thinking, it seems too good to be true, doesn't it? I'm literally not doing anything at all, and I'm earning this amount of money. Now, if we come down here, you can see here are the profits for the next 7 days using the software. I earn $126 for the next week, basically. So then scroll down here. The following week, I took a couple of screenshots, but I'd got the habit of screenshotting every single day. But if we come down here, you can see here's a couple of screenshots. Come further down, $106 for the week. Come down here, week 4 results, again a couple of screenshots here, and here it is. So in total, within 4 weeks, so this was starting on the 17th of June and this ended on the 17th of July, I earned $579 doing nothing. Come further down the page here, if you break this down further, it works out on average I earned $28.95 every single day, well, Monday to Friday, using this software. And then I go through here about final thoughts and getting started with this. So there's 2 things you need for this. The first one, and this is the important one, is this thing here. You need a broker's account. So basically this is whereby you deposit your money and then you connect this up to the software. Now when you create an account over on here, you've got to get your account verified, which, you know, you've proven that you're a real person and you're not dodgy. So step 1 is you go ahead and you get the account. Now this software works with, it's called Traders Way. So there's a link here and it takes you over to the Traders Way page, and I'll walk you through how to open up your account, which is a live account. Once this is being done, you then move on to step 2, which is purchasing the software. So you click here, it'll take you over to the software. Within the software, once you purchase this, you get a welcome email, you get a step-by-step PDF of, you know, everything you need to do and how to set everything up. And it also comes with access to the private Facebook group, and this video is walking you through other bits in here. So if we come over here, let me go and quickly show you the Facebook group so you can see everything, you know, I can share with you other people's results from in here. So this here was somebody, who was this? This was Jesse. This was their first day profit, very promising start. So they earned $126 on their first day with this. Now I don't know how much they deposited into their account, I don't know. There's some people in here who've got huge accounts, and there's some people with like $1,000 like myself, and there's some people with, you know, 5,000, 6,000. It's all relative to, you know, your risk that you're going to put in here. So what's this? This one here, today's profits. If we come down here, how much did this person earn? Click on here, you can see they earned $102, and their original deposit was well, basically $1,000 just short. So I've come further down the page here. Look at this one, $241 profit for this person here. Come further down. This is someone on day 16, biggest day ever, finally hit triple digits, $117, doing nothing. Next one, and you know, the welcome new people in here. So this Facebook group here, it's blown up a little bit lately because they launched this in, when did they launch this? I think they originally launched it to the marketplace about a week ago, but before they launched it, there was, from memory, I think there was about 35 of us who were like beta testing this software originally. Come down here, look, $178, and look, you'll see lots more of these. $31, some dude with his car. My son totaled my car and I was worried. They earned $116. So look, I'm not going to keep scrolling through here because this video will go on for a long time, and you know, it'll be boring for me and for you. But if we go back over here, over onto my blog, feel free, look, I'll drop a link to my blog below. Go ahead, have a read through this, and you know, see all of the screenshots, all of the proof from this. And as I mentioned, I don't even know how much I earned. How much have I earned? $579 within my first 4 weeks. So it's pretty good, isn't it? So look, that's today's video. So this is something I have researched, I have trialed it, I've tested it, and I'm sharing the results with you. So what are my plans with this moving forward? Well, once I get this up to $1,000 here, I'm going to take out my original deposit. So then this will become risk-free basically, and then it'll just continue, to run in the background. Now again, because I've been earning this money here, and I see people within the Facebook group, sharing, they're earning a lot more money than me, it would be very easy to think, bloody hell, I'm going to deposit $5,000 or $10,000. But that is not what I would recommend to you, because at the end of the day, this is the Forex market, and all of this trading software here, as fantastic as this is, you could have a day where you could lose some money, or you could have a day where, things don't particularly go the way that you would like them to. So I would always recommend it, and it's not even in Forex, it's in anything to do with make money online. Only invest what you can afford. Please don't go and take out a bloody loan or anything like that to, earn money. But that's today's video. There will be a link to my blog article below for you. Go ahead and have a look at this. I'll be updating this probably in about, I don't know, maybe another 3 or 4 weeks really, because now I've set this up and it's up and running. I don't really bother with it. What I do is I just look at the end of the week to see how much money I've made, and I'll continue to do so. So that's today's video. Hope you found it useful. If you've got any comments or questions, then please leave them down below. If you can give the video a like for me, I'd really appreciate that. So thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.